everybody? It's your boy Tay. Today we're taking a look at this Heloideo power bank. It's a 5,000 milliamp portable power bank that has a lightning as well as a USB Type-C built right into the size of the power bank. So this is the packaging that it comes in, and it also comes with this really nice velvet feeling, soft touch pouch that you can put it in, and it's like this little drawstring so you can carry it around when you're traveling. And what's really nice about this case is it's pretty lightweight. It does has a really nice smooth soft touch feeling as well, and it just isn't very big. It's a little long, but it's not big at all. Most phones today is going to be smaller than, like, for example, I have the HTC U11 Plus here. So this is a 6-inch phone screen wise, so it's a lot smaller than the actual phone. So yeah, the size of it is really nice, but some of the really nice features are that you have USB Type-C built right into it. So this actually will work with your newer Android phones, and then we have a lightning adapter built right into it. So this will work with your iPhones, iPads. So you don't necessarily have to have your cords with you. You always have access to these, which is really nice and convenient. And then also, if you did want to plug in, say you had a older USB device, you can just plug it in down here at the bottom and charge it, and you have two of them down here at the bottom. So this is a 5,000 milliamp battery charger, and most phones that you're gonna be able to charge up maybe like one and a half times, basically one full charge and half of another charge. This phone here, the battery is like 3,900 milliamps, so I would just get one full charge and maybe like 10-20% for the rest of the way. But if you have like a regular size iPhone 7, 6, 8, or even a Plus, you're gonna get a couple of charges out of this. And to charge this actual case up, there's a wall outlet that you just go ahead and pull down and plug it into the wall, and then you'll get your light indicators. So you have 3 light indicators down here at the bottom, each one representing about 33% of the battery, and you'll know how much you have, so you can just press the power button quickly. So it looks like we have about 66%. The light stays solid to let you know when you're charging it how much you have as well. So you plug it up and like this light is blinking, you'll know that it's still charging. And once the battery bank is fully charged, all the lights will stay on. And when you press to check, this light does turn off. It just stays on for quite some time, say like 15-20 seconds. And as you can see just now, it turns off, so it won't be on. And one nice thing is, once you plug it in, it automatically detects that the phone is plugged up and will start charging. So I have an LED indicator up here, and it'll turn orange when it's charging. So I just plug it in, and you can see down here it's connected, charging, and orange color down here. And then the power bank automatically starts charging. So that's really nice and convenient. I haven't tried charging 2 devices at once, but let's go ahead and see, because this green light will also turn orange if it's charging. So yeah, it looks like it does work if you want to charge multiple devices at once. I don't believe it has fast charge, but I will have to double check to see. But of course, if you're charging multiple devices at once, it's going to slow down the charge a little. So just be mindful of that. I'll throw the link in the description where you can actually pick this up and purchase it. It does run for $29.99 right now on Amazon. So go ahead, be sure to check it out if you're interested. I definitely would recommend the case. Just having the convenience of the USB and Type-C and the Lightning together is super clutch. And then, like I said, you have 2 more slots to charge anything else you need to. So that was the Heloideo 5000 milliamp power bank, Lightning and USB Type-C. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Tay signing out. Peace.